ang budget version na pinasa nila ay 16.17 billion. Ang Senate version ng House of Representatives budget ay 16.9 billion. Pagdating ng bicameral, bigla siyang naging 28.69 billion. Reconciliation ba yan? Hindi yan reconciliation. Anong tawag dyan? Isulat nyo sa comment section kung anong tawag dyan sa ginawa ng House of Representatives. Pera nyo yan. Pera nyo yan kayong manakikinig. Pera nyo yan. Ngayong 2025 budget, ito malala. Ang pinasa ng House of Representatives publicly ay 16 billion. Ang Senate version, 16.35 billion lang. So, ang tinaas lang nito ay 1 million. Alam mo kung paano nila na-reconcile? Pagdating ng bicameral, naging 33.67 billion ang budget ng House of Representatives. That's a 105.93 increase. Anong tawag nyo dyan? Pera nyo yan. Tell me, anong tawag nyo dyan? And why are you letting these people get away with it? Eh yung mga snatcher nga, binubugbog. Ito, binibigyan nyo ng yung harap-harapan na. Tell me, what could justify na biglang lulobo yung budget mo ng 75%, 77% at 105% during the bicameral meeting? Eh hindi naman yung pinasa nyo nung nag-public deliberation. What is this called? At sinerch ko yung mga past House speakership, past Congress, ang available lang, hindi naman kasi ganun kagaling kakatransparent ang record keeping ng ating legislative. Noong 2011, ang tinaas lang 13% under Feliciano Belmonte. Noong 2013, 8.53% lang tinaas under Feliciano Belmonte. Noong kay Pantaleon Alvarez, 0% ang tinaas ng budget ng House of Representatives during BICAM. Noong kay Gloria Arroyo, 0.08%. Kay Lord Alan Velasco, 12.86%. And then yung second speakership ni Lord Alan Velasco, 0%. Si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano po ay hindi po siya naging House Speaker during a budget cycle. Kaya wala siya dyan. Pagdating kay Martin Romualdez, naging 75.06%. Kagad ang tinaas. 77.21%, 105.93%. Do you know how much ito? It's about 50 billion. 5-0. For 3 years, niregaluhan ng House of Representatives ang kanilang mga sarili ng about 50 billion pesos ng pera ng taong bayan, ng pera ninyo. 50 billion during BICAM. What exactly bakit bigla kayo niregaluhan nyo ang sarili nyo ng 50 billion during BICAM for the past 3 years? Why? Is this not corruption? This is corruption. Present this to foreigners. Kaibigan ninyong foreigners. Tell them, explain this to them. And then do a survey, foreigners, if they think that this is not corruption, that Martin Romualdez House of Representatives wasn't doing, if this is not massive, not just massive, but grave, karumal-dumal na kagutuman. And take note sa budget lang nila to. Hindi pa dito kasama yung AKAP, TUPAD, AIX. Hindi pa dito kasama yung sa mga DPWH contract. Tinanggal nila yung isang page for the motherland. Kasi bago nila tanggalin yun, I was exposing already DPWH contracts awarded to the companies owned by the families and relatives of the sitting congressman. Yung isa naka 1 billion. That's just a DPWH contract for just 1 year. Binura nila. Pinabangladesh yung page ko, yung for the motherland. Nandun yun Nandun lahat. So, tell me, that's why it's an honor to be cited in contempt by a corrupt institution. Because it only proves that we're fighting the good fight. Gagawin nilang lahat para matapatahimik. Hindi ba? Why? Tanungin yung sarili nyo. Why is mainstream media not talking about this? Did you just hear it from me? Etong exposure na to? Say yes or no. Did you just hear it from me? Now, answer me. Why did you just hear it from me and mainstream media did not report it? I thought that they are against corruption. This is blatant corruption. You present this to any non-corrupt countries in the world? Tell me, how many of them would say that this is not corruption? This is corruption. Karumal-dumal grave. Halang bituka. Addict level na corruption. Garapal. So, yun lang, that's my comment. No? It is a badge of honor that a very corrupt institution, the House of Representatives, the most corrupt House of Representatives, perhaps in the last 10 years that we ever witnessed, it is a badge of honor that you cited me in contempt, because it only means that you cannot handle bloggers, netizens, who are actually practicing what every citizen should be doing, and that is scrutinizing everything that you're doing, kahit mura-murahin pa kayo. Dahil kitang-kita sa mga dokumento kung paano nyo dinorobo ang pera ng taong bayan in the past 3 years. Uulitin ko, it is a badge of honor to be cited in contempt by a very, very corrupt House of Representatives. The most corrupt House of Representatives perhaps in the last 10 years or 20 years. Because kitang-kita sa mga dokumento kung paano ninyo dinorobo, ginawang paraan para mangamkam ng pera ng taong bayan during bicameral. Bilyon-bilyon. That's why, kung maninitili lang kayong dilat, hindi kayo mamulat, you will just wake up one day na ang country ninyo, ang ginagawa na, kinukuha na ng harap-harapan sa inyo ng mga congressman ay trilyon. Pag hindi pa rin kayo nagising. Iba ang dilat sa mulat. Pag dilat ka lang, wala na kayong, yung ipapamana ninyong bansa sa susunod na henerasyon, it's not going to be a nice Philippines. Do you really think? Kung harap-harapan, what would the future generation tell you? Ikaw, nakikinig sa akin. What would your apo say? Nakita nilang ganitong document. Tatanungin kanila, Lolo, bakit hindi ka umalma? Na ang House of Representatives, nireregaluhan nila ang kanilang mga sarili ng ilang bilyon during BICAM na hindi publicly deliberated. Ibang-iba ito sa pinasa nilang budget sa harapan ng publiko during the budget hearing. Bakit hindi ka nagsalita? Bakit mo hinayaan? Na ito ay doroboyin nila ang pera ng taong bayan. Bakit ayaw mong gumising? Dahil naghihintay ka ba na yung bansa mo talaga ituluyan ng mawarak dahil sa korupsyon ng mga to? Tapos sila pa yung papalakpakan mo. Isra ulo ka pala, pumunta ka na ng Muntinlupa, palabasin mo na lang lahat ng kriminal dyan, pare-pareho lang din naman yan. So tell me, yung nakita nyo, is that not corruption? That is blatant corruption to the highest level. At budget lang nila yan, tinataasan nila. Budget pa lang nila yan. Nang ganun-ganun na lang. Hindi pa dyan kasama yung tupad, AX, DPWH, etc. Kaya kawawa ang bayang Pilipinas. Kaya tingnan mo ang Pilipinas. Mukha ba yung bansa na hindi nangungurakot ang mga politiko? Tanungin nyo yung sarili ninyo. Lalo na yung mga nagtatravel sa ibang bansa, no? Ano yung sarili nyo? Yung bansa mong Pilipinas na yan, mukha ba yung bansa na hindi alam mo, may corruption sa lahat ng bansa. Pero may mga bansa na pag napunta ka sa bansang yan, ramdam na ramdam mo na kinukurap ang pera ng taong bayan at ang mga taong bayan, alam nilang kinukurap ay walang gustong gawin para baguhin ito. That's why it's going to be a vicious cycle and you will leave a Philippines to the future generation much worse than how we found it. Guaranteed yan. Guaranteed yan. Because they can get away with it without any consequences. Ang consequence lang nila social media. Nalalantad sa social media. That's their only consequence. And what they wanted to do, they want to silence social media because they want to cover up ang ginawa nilang pandorobo sa pera ng taong bayan in the last 3 years during the BICAM. And it's documented. I have all the documents. That's why it's a badge of honor that you cite me in contempt because what would I expect? I don't expect you, House of Representatives, to praise me for revealing how corrupt your institution is in the last 3 years. And that House Speaker, Martin Romualdez, is involved in a bribery case. Okada. 2 buwan pa lang siyang House Speaker. At ito ay nasa kaso. Ito ay nasa desisyon sa isang related na kaso sa Delaware Court sa United States. And you're not doing anything about it. Nakakahiya kayo. Nakakahiya kayo sa mga Pilipinong nagtatrabaho ngayon. Nakakahiya kayo sa mga Pilipinong ipapanganak pa lamang. So, iba ang mulat sa dilat. Ano ka sa dalawa? Dilat or mulat? Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa muli. Ito po si Sas Rogando Sasot, ang inyong faithfully defiant na tagalista ng Noisy na nagsasabing hindi pa tapos ang laban. Nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo. Salamat po.
This is for the motherland. I am